The District School Education Officer of West Jaintia Hills celebrated the 63rd Teachers' Day at the District Library Auditorium in Menthong, Jawai. Addressing the event, former Education Minister Lakmin Rumbui commended the teachers for their selfless dedication in molding and shaping students for all-round development. 4 teachers were awarded the district awards. In Rebhoy, the Office of the District School Education Officer observed the Teachers' Day celebration at St. Paul's Parish Hall. District awards were presented to teachers today in recognition of their dedication and commitment. In Nongstoin, the Teachers' Day celebration was held at St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, Pendengray, Nongstoin. 3 teachers received district awards from DSEO West Khasi Hills for their outstanding contributions in the field of education.
A warm welcome to you, sir.
On this day.
His contributions to the school and the broader community.
I take this opportunity also to congratulate the Babu Everlasting Group, the national awardee of this year's principal of Menken Higher Secondary School, the state awardees, and district awardees all over the state of Meghalaya. We know what is the role of the teachers and how the teachers shape the society and how the teaching committee has struggled from time to time in fulfilling that profession.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today